Okay, here we are. Let's go find Blaine.
People of Panau, it is I, your beloved president. Today I have issued the order to close down and clear out the den of foreign decadents called Panau Falls Casino. All foreign nationals in this casino will be rounded up and tried before deportation. Let it be known that those who harbor foreign criminals and unpatriotic scum will be brought before the court and tried.
I've seen some dumps in my time. But this place...
Under siege by unsound and immoral influence.
It's worse than we expected.
Who are you and what is your business here?
I be careful now.
We're friends of Carl's.
Carl has no friends.
Apart from you, Jade Tan, you're his girl, right?
Huh. You must be Spooks.
Spooks, hoping to talk to Carl.
You're way too late, lady. He's at the casino.
What? That casino?
Sure. That's where he makes his living.
Yeah, well, dying ain't much of a living. We need to get there, fast.
Then you better hop on. They'll swat that bird out of the sky on sight.
I gotta go, but I'll keep an eye on you. Help you out if I can.
So, honey, let's go.
Adios!
You'll stop. If you hurry, you might just save his sorry ass.
You don't think too highly of him.
If the government gets their hands on Carl, they'll sure come looking for me too. So, as of right now, I'm over the bum. And out of here.
Maybe I see you again.
Or maybe not. This island is a playground to some, but a graveyard to others. Salamat jalam, Spook!
Watch out for that demolition officer. The hostiles have deployed breaching charges. If they get inside, Blaine is toast. Disarm them. You can always grapple hook your way up these towers. kill Blaine. Deal with that chopper, Rico, quickly!
Damn it!
Tough luck, compadre.
Okay, come on! That'll teach him! That'll teach him!
Get inside the overpass tunnel and save Blaine.
Who the hell are you?
I'm with the agency. You Carl Blaine?
Right now, I wish I wasn't. You agency boys sure took your time. After all I'd done for you.
I'm not here to help you. Unless you can help me find Tom Sheldon.
What? I thought it was with you guys.
Oh, he was. But now he's our primary target.
Oh, ho, ho. Ain't no love in the world of international espionage, baby.
So you know where to find him?
Sure.
Good. Now hold on tight.
What are you doing, you idiot? Up and away! Oh! You really are one crazy SOB. But I am called Blaine, drunk and disorderly. Now let's go to my car here and I drive you to my crib. What? My beautiful car! In the ditch! I love this effing ride, man. I can't drive any other car. Pull it out of here somehow. On the roof, my man. You fight better from there. Get going. The government goons are on our tail. We gotta hurry.
Of the two Panau Falls runners! Initializing pursuit!
Look out! Here they come! detour. Hang on! Yeah, baby! That last blast took care of them! Hey, thanks, pal. I was one bullet away from meeting my maker.
Oh, you'll still meet him. Unless you get me to Sheldon.
Relax, buddy. We'll find him for you. No trouble.
Find him where?
Well, what I hear is that he went up jungle, started some kind of rebel gang. Fighting for the government, fighting against the government. So much rumor.
So get me to this rebel gang.
That won't be easy.
You want me to throw you back to those dogs?
But it's not impossible. There are 3 major criminal gangs on the island. You get in real friendly with all of them and they sure lead you all the way to Sheldon. Here, give me your PDA.
You want my PDA?
I need to download for you the intel on these gangs.
Okay. But if you mess with me, I will kill you.
Ah, home sweet home. Wow, this PDA is some high-tech stuff.
Hey! Where are you going?
I'm downloading the locations, contacts I told you about. That way you can get in real close with these guys. Real close and cozy, you dig?
I can't just waltz up and say, "Hey, I'm a criminal, and I'd like to work for your organization."
Sure, so I'll just tell old crooks of this island that an international gun for hire is visiting Panau. Mr. Scorpion. They're always looking for new talent.
Okay. But I'll need guns and vehicles.
I'll put you in contact with a black market dealer I know. Here, use these beacons to contact him.
If these things fail, believe me, I'm coming back for you.